The Story of Rain. One quiet morning, the sky was gray and the air was cool. Birds were hiding in the trees and everything felt calm. Then, something beautiful began to happen. The first raindrops started to fall. This is the story of rain. Rain begins high up in the clouds. When the air is cold, water vapor turns into tiny drops, and these drops gather together to form clouds. When the clouds get too heavy, the drops fall down to the ground. Sometimes it's just a light drizzle, soft and gentle, almost like the sky is whispering. You can feel the light drops on your face, but you might not even need an umbrella. Other times the rain is stronger. It comes as a shower, lasting for a short time, maybe a few minutes. People hurry through the streets with their raincoats and boots, opening colorful umbrellas to stay dry. Children jump and splash in puddles, laughing as the water jumps with them. But rain isn't always gentle. Sometimes the sky opens up and it starts pouring. Heavy rain falls fast and hard, making a loud sound on rooftops and streets. Cars move slowly through the water. If the rain doesn't stop, it can even cause a flood when too much water fills the streets and fields. During big storms, you can hear thunder, a deep, rolling sound like a drum in the sky. A bright flash of lightning often comes first, lighting up the dark clouds. Some people feel scared, but many find the sound of rain and thunder exciting. After the rain, something magical often happens. The sun comes out again, shining through the water in the air, and a beautiful rainbow appears. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, all shining together like a smile in the sky. Rain is important. It gives water to plants, fills rivers and lakes, and helps everything grow. Without rain, there would be no food, no flowers, no green trees. Rain is part of the water cycle, always moving from the sky to the ground and back again. Around the world, people experience rain in different ways. In some places, there's monsoon rain, strong and long-lasting. In others, rain comes only once in a while. Some people love rainy days. They drink hot tea or hot chocolate, sit by the window and listen to the sound of drops falling on the roof. Others prefer sunny weather and wait for the storm to pass. No matter where you are, rain is part of life. It can be soft like a drizzle, quick like a shower, or powerful like a storm. It brings sound, color, and freshness to the world. The next time it rains, look up at the sky. Listen to the rhythm of the raindrops. Smell the fresh air. And remember, rain is nature's way of giving life. Vocabulary section. Rain. Water that falls from the sky in drops. It's a natural way that water is returned to the earth. Raindrops. Small drops of water that fall from the clouds when it rains. Clouds. Collections of water droplets or ice crystals in the sky that form before it rains. Drizzle. Light rain that falls very gently, usually for a long time. Shower, a short, heavy rain that doesn't last long. You may need an umbrella for it. Umbrella, a tool used to protect you from rain. It is typically made of fabric and has a handle. Raincoat, a coat designed to keep you dry when it rains. It's often waterproof and covers most of your body. Boots, waterproof shoes that cover your feet and lower legs, often worn during heavy rain or snow. Puddles, small pools of water that form on the ground after it rains. Pouring, heavy rain, when rain falls very heavily and quickly, often causing flooding. Flood, when too much water collects on the ground, often because of too much rain. Flooding can damage property and affect communities. Thunder, the loud sound that is heard during a storm. It occurs when lightning strikes. Lightning, a sudden flash of light in the sky caused by electricity. It happens during thunderstorms. Rainbow, a colorful arc that appears in the sky when sunlight shines through raindrops. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Water cycle, the continuous movement of water on Earth, from the ocean to the sky and back again. It includes processes like evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Rain. Monsoon rain. Seasonal rain, often in tropical areas, that occurs for a long period of time. Monsoon rains can be very heavy and cause floods. Storm, a violent weather condition that can include heavy rain, strong winds, and lightning. Storms can be dangerous. Wind, moving air. Wind is often strong during storms, and it can make rain feel colder. Gray sky, a sky that is covered with clouds, often seen before it rains. The sky looks dark and dull. Fresh air, clean, natural air that often smells nice, especially after it rains. Roof, the top part of a building. When it rains, the roof keeps the inside of the building dry.